niya, no? Palit na tayo. Lahat ng schedule nila, tayo na lang. Hindi kasi,
Basta ang idea, walang back-to-back games.
Oo.
Yun lang yung idea, walang back-to-back. Tape, marami ako niyan.
Game na.
Game na.
Game.
Game na. Oh. Okay.
May, ano yan, may panong kaputol na.
First possession by Team White.
Game.
Ako sa may...
Inbound by Alan.
First possession, nasa team ni Alan.
Rank ba eh?
Anthony with the first shot in this game, no good. Wala na ko ni Paul. Rebound by Paul, first defensive rebound. Boss ball goes all the way. No good. Rebound ni Gab. 2 points. Offensive rebound and put back. Para sa ating first blood. Hi Brian. Anthony. 12 seconds to shoot. Alvin was fouled. Reset tayo sa 14. Anthony to pray. Balik kay Anthony. Sa middle. Swing ang bola kay Alan. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha. Offensive. Offensive rebound ni Alvin. Brian with 8 seconds to shoot. Brian spins. Foul. Boston. Foul at the... on the way up. Ito na. Reset tayo sa 14 ulit. After the inbound pass.
Tira na dyan.
Na kay Alan. Alan against 2. Anthony goes left. Muntik na magaw. Alan with his patented move. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ulit ni Craig. Offensive rebound by Craig. Assist din ba? Yes!
Assist rebound.
Assist and rebound. Score kay Anthony. 3 puntos. Lamang ngayon ng White. Ng isa. Nakay Bosbal. Bosbal. Wala. Brian Kevin. First rebound of the game. Craig. Balik kay Brian. Brian. Goes all the way. Ay! Nakadawan. Up! May tawag sa score.
Call. Review.
14 to shoot. Anthony to Craig.
Ganda naman.
Miikot ang bola, ganda ng ikot ang bola. Alvin with the attempt from good. Bosbal with the defensive rebound. Oops, nagawan nga lang. Anthony with the steal. To Alan. Alan with his patented shot, no good. Offensive rebound and put back by Brian Kevin. Lamang ng 3. Ang team 1. Admin Jeff mukhang maluluwa pa ang fight. Nakagap. Roel goes baseline. Nakapol, swing ang bola. Deo.
Ayaw pa.
Goes to right. 10 seconds to shoot sila. Ang ganda naman nakikita ng bola. Gab with the assist. Roel, 2 points. Free throw. 17 seconds to shoot. Ito na sila. Babawi. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Libreng-libre sa kaliwa. Anthony, second attempt sa tres. Third na attempt. Nakala na tres. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Bosbal. Bosbal pa rin. Ball running the floor. Ball.
Nice!
Nice move by Bosbal. All the way to the hole. 6-5. Lumang na ang gap. Babawi kaya mga nakaputik. Tingnan natin sa possession na to. Craig. To Brian. Brian with the screen from Alvin. Balik kay Craig. Alan goes middle. Na-crowd agad.
7 seconds.
Alan with the step through. No good. Alan pa rin. Put back and 2 points. What a resilience by Boss AC. Uy, ganda ng outlet pass nito. Sakto kay Leo. Mukhang nakapigyan niya. Pero sige. Sakto kay Paul. To Gab. Baseline J. Wala. Rebound naman ni Brian Kevin. Okay lang yan, Boss Leo. Lahat tayo nangyari yan. Lahat tayo lumaban.
Bawal pa mag-try.
Hindi bawal mag-try, Boss Leo. Ayan na. Eto na si Bri. Bri, sumalaksak. Op! Hinto tayo sa gitna ulit. Shot clock reset to 14 seconds.
Tira.
Craig to Brian. Brian in the middle. Brian, gather step. Diki kay Anthony. Anthony goes right. Shot clock is at 4, 3, 2, 1. Tumama ng ring. Okay, nakapal.
Hold down.
Ay, umabot.
Landing space daw.
Okay. Oh. Eto na. Balik tayo sa 14. Alvin to Anthony. Anthony
Tawag ka din, Gab.
to Craig. Craig goes middle. Craig with the floater is good.
Yun. Parang hindi
Assist by Anthony.
Anthony.
Kasi 1-3 ball. Ayun. Off, pa daw. Balik tayo sa dark. Score ay 9-6. Paano ba tina-charge to?
Wala, baterya yan. Double A yan.
Double A. Wala tayong karagada ngayon. Eto na, Paul. First shot of the ball game by Boss Paul. Wala. Rebound. Wow, towering rebound by Craig.
Crayon.
Oh, kay Craig yun. Op, Alan, behind the back. Alan. To Anthony. To Bry. Kay Craig. Middle. Agaw. Agaw ni Gab. It's a 4-on-1, mga kaibigan. Gab goes all the way, no? Op, rebound ni Paul. Assist ni Deo. Score ni Roel. Natrack mo yun? Offensive rebound. May assist yung isa. Tapos may score yung isa. Wow, what a speed. Uy, anything but the shot. Paul with the rebound. Nakay Gab. Sumalit. Jamu by Boss Gab. Gab all the way yun. 10-9. Lamang na ulit ang dunk. Time remaining 8 minutes and 48 seconds.
Asan dyan yung tally? Yung total.
Brian sa poste. Brian, pivot step, up! Napaw sa loob ulit. Grabe yung respect kay Boss Brian Kelly. Tara. Awak ni Paul. Paul with a defensive rebound.
Wow.
And Gosval goes all the way for 2 points. Grabe na talaga sila. The fast break points are ramping up.
Yan na.
8 seconds to shoot. Alan. Baseline, wala. Rebound sana. Op. Uy. May pala sa ilalim. On the rebound. Yes. I think pwede tayong... Malapit na niya makuha ang bola doon. I think. Sino man ang kakampi ni Boss L? On the way na daw si Boss L. So ready yung team niya. Ready na. Oy, still by Gab ulit. Oh, oy, assist pa rin yan. Dapat, tama na. Kuya, anchor mo. Hindi dito, layo naman tayo. Isa nearest lang. Okay, 49 up. Eto na si Alan. Tip pass kay Anthony. Anthony goes left. Strong side. Nice move by Boss Anthony. Kaso wala nang assist si Boss Alan doon. Gab with the bump. Kay Paul. Balik kay Deo. 13 seconds to shoot tayo. Boss Alan, ating pinagbitin. Wala, rebound. Balik Anthony. Anthony. Aggressively, yun na. Uy, nakontrol pa rin ang bola.
Court.
13 seconds to shoot.
Tira!
10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Sige, 5, 4, 3. Walang choice. Titira na ni Cray. Tumama sa ring rebound ni Paul. Kay Paul. Oy, naagawan pa si Paul. Naagawan si Paul. Sa Alan. Alan. Oy, naagawan din si Alan. Eto na siya. Directing traffic. Hindi kay Roel. Roel! Floater, wala. Rebound. Rebound by Boss Alvin. And he's fouled.
Wow, gagad ang foul. Smart.
MVP.
Ano na? Happy birthday!
Birthday pala, kaya na late.
May karapatan siya malate, mga kaibigan. Eto na! 7 seconds to shoot! Alvin! Wala! Rebound, makukuha. Boss Palagay. Boss
Sabi kayo, baba na kayo!
Naku, nakagawa na naman si Boss Palagay. Anthony with the steal and 3. Wala. Alan, offensive and 2 points. Wala din. Alvin with the rebound. Naagawan ni Gab. Gab with the steal. Gab goes all the way short. Rebound, Paul. Paul, wala ka rin. Rebound, makuha ni Gab. Dami offensive rebound ang kapila, oh. Dalawang sunod. 10 seconds to shoot kayo. 8 seconds na lang. 6, 5, Midi. Wala. Alan, rebound. Maganda naman, maganda naman. 14-11. Anthony, open 3. And he makes, Oy! That was halfway down, mga kaibigan. It was almost a bang. Ayun, instead. A 5-point swing. Tawag nila sa NBA. 5-point swing. 16-11. Pero nice shot pa rin ba yung
Almost a bang.
Almost a bang.
Pinasana eh.
Halfway bang.
Yes, a halfway. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Anthony. Anthony to balik kay Craig. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2, make it up.
Saved by the foul.
O tayo. O tayo sa back. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Uy, 4 minutes na lang. Ano? Grabe. Isang oras. Eto na si Brian. Brian, sinigong bola. Anthony. Anthony goes for 3 again. Ayun na, pinawi ni Anthony
Ganun pala
yung...
gusto eh.
Eto, bang na. Bang, bang. Bospan. Oh. Eh.
Kahit malaki yung tali.
Second game pa lang. Second game pa lang din to ng gabi to. Tama?
Kaya niya siya.
Hindi pa lang. Deo, cross-court pass. Paul. Short.
Ganda.
Rebound by Cray. Cray, king of the hill. Cray. Cray. Anthony, settles for the 3. Wala. Rebound, nakuha ni Paul.
Baba na, baba!
Steal by Anthony. Basang-basa, mga kaibigan. Naku, yun lamang.
Sayang.
Ay. Okay lang. Full shot clock kayo ulit, Dark Team. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Next game, team namin laban sa team nila Cray. Ay, nila L pala. Gap with the midi is good. Nag-build. 3 minutes na yan, ano? Nag-build ng cushion ang Dark Team.
Apat lang yan.
Na. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Ikot, ayan o.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, up, and there's a foul. Okay, full shot. Half a shot. 14 seconds. Alvin, free throw line. Bang! The bank is open. And it's only a 2-point lead. Bola!
Kaya, Gab!
Gab to Val. Val, baseline. Verhel Meneses mo. Nag-aerial voyage. 16 seconds to shoot. Matagal pa yan, pero mabilis na mauubos. Cray with the 3. Uy, akala ko another bank is open.
Bumaba kayo pag ganun.
Deo pa rin. Deo to Gab. Gab pumunti. Gab, wala, rebound. Makuha ni Val. Val, 2 points by Val. Pull back.
Veteran.
Pull back and 2 points.
Veteran.
Yun yung tinatawag na presence. Hindi ko nasasabihin yung unang word. Alan, to Alvin. Alvin to Craig. To Brian. Brian gathers. And he's fouled. Stop time territory naman tayo. 1 minute and 42. Eto na. It's only a 6-point lead, ha? Anthony corner. Three-way passing, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2,
Foul.
Okay, 1 minute and 28. Full shot clock, 6-point lead. Medyo good spot ng Dark Team. Pero hindi pa rin tapos ang laro to, ha? Pati siguro.
No lead is safe.
Dalawang tres lang
No lead is safe in MBC. We've seen it many times. Deo, Paul, will this be the dagger? No good. Diba? Nakuha ni Brian.
Half court shot.
Anthony goes left. As any lefty will do. Oy! Any US pa? Oras pala. Sorry. Last 1 minute. Yes. Akala ko may tawag eh. Oh, muntik na makagawan. Grab. 17 seconds to shoot. Settle sa mid-range. Alan. Hindi pa tapos ang laro, mga kaibigan.
Anim lang ah.
Alan pa rin. Alan.
Dalawang tres lang.
Mukhang alam na kung sino natitira dito.
Ay, sabi ni Ray.
Up, makukuha ni Osval. Osval. Running for ano? VPG to. Tuloy-tuloy na.
Sigurado.
Napakal na, for good measure.
Tinawag pa lang Paul.
28 seconds of game time. Mukhang honest defense na lang ang ipiplay ng white team. Tapal na yun. Dagger by Deo? Wala. Ito si Cray. They are looking for 3 kasi anim ang lamang. Cray, wala. Rebound. Gab. With the defensive and I think it's over mga kaibigan. Wire to wire win by the dark team. GG's. 22-16.